Let's auto-organize files with Python. Still manually organizing files every week? Let's automate it with Python in less than 10 minutes. Build a file organizer in Python. This is real automation. Instead of manually sorting files, Python does it in seconds. First, we import OS and datetime. Then we loop through each file in the folder. We extract the file extension to classify by type. Next, we extract the creation date to classify by year and month. Then we create the folder structure dynamically. Finally, we move the file automatically. This makes the structure more time-based and easier to track history. This is how you build real automation tools with Python. Not just tutorials, but useful apps you can actually use daily. Want more real-world Python automation projects? Follow for weekly automation builds. Subscribe for more real-world Python automation.